I started another one because the other one was finished.
What?
I started another one because the other one was finished.
Yep. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Nice. I should give me a face. See that, people? That's an alligator. That tricked us.
Did they do shoreline sampling yet? Yeah. Okay. Yep. We've kind of completed the process of determining if this river is healthy or not. Y'all still feel like it's healthy?
Can you trade off?
Yeah. Y'all pumped some water
Want to trade off?
yesterday?
Yes.
Life today. Pretty much indicates that we already know.
I am a noob.
Right when you said that, I started recording you.
I think we've seen him on the way up.
I'll shoot you up by.
Oh, can you start it another one? Three.
Move around.
Huh?
Seen a new one or the same.
Okay, this is video 2.
This is video 2. In one city. Richie. Here, start the video.
Change the video.
I said start.
Wait.
Boy! Boy, you're getting me wet. Okay.
Water.
Okay.
Is that an alligator? Oh my god! Waters. Beautiful water. Steven,
Yo,
you like paddling in the water?
somewhat.
Somewhat water? Water.
It looks like coffee.
Palm or lily or something.
Wanna switch, Kenny? Here.
Switch sides.
They probably got stuck.
Ask Ricky.
I want to pedal on this side.
Richie, how do you feel?
Awesome.
How do you feel?
My arm hurts because I did this yesterday.
For real?
Yeah, I went kayaking yesterday.
You went kayaking. It's a different. Huh?
Kayaking, you still use a paddle.
Huh?
Kayaking, you still do a paddle. It just has two.
We gotta use a little one to pull yourself. That's it. Now we have to pull like 10 people.
That's for a wood duck. They have wood ducks that come here.
That way over, like, we were carrying 600 pounds.
Huh?
Like, how much pounds are we carrying? Or pushing? 8?
Dude!
We're pushing 8 pounds of water, guys. We got this.
They'll live here in the river and eat for a while until they're ready to fly. I guess when it gets cold, they fly back and
We get friends.
So maybe we'll start shooting.
I've done this before. Yeah, I have. Why go like this?
They do this.
We're almost there, guys.
Dude, I'm cutting the water.
Same.
It's gonna take a while.
You still making that YouTube? You still doing that YouTube video?
Jessica, are you Farrell? Jennifer. Farrell? Jennifer.
I'm caught at least.
Sorry, you're Jennifer Farrell. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Let it rest. I'll remember now. I won't forget. Y'all already did orienteering video?
A bass just jumped.
What?
A bass jumped.
What the heck, lady?
Oh!
Don't let it fall in. No, you're doing it the wrong way.
covered. I just stoked to be someone's out.
Right.
That way.
And then we didn't go for so long.
Throw
And then
water on
with the
me.
hurricane, I missed that day also. I am going to, the next time we go boating,
We're close.
I'm going to follow Chris on the hike.
Right. He's good. I just followed him on the bike today.
Yeah, I was with him for 3 days when I, at the beginning. You want to go? Oh! And that was the one thing I missed with him because I had to cover Bill's class.
Right.
When
It's yours.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Can you?
My hands are so hurry.
My
You
hands
wanna switch?
Yeah, Chris, I didn't get to catch all his, but I did get to steer his kids.
Give them some of your face.
But it was an early
Not like that.
one of the schools, and I had
Richie, I'm coming to the water.
He cut in the water, guys.
No, just
What happened?
Why are you doing it like that?
It's a sign that says
Whoa, we're finna bump into that.
slow the speed.
Richie.
the biggest, toughest kids ran the farthest and fastest.
Cut in the water. Oh no, we got a crash. Goodbye, everyone.
That is the day they all die.
Y'all thought it's a box. That's where baby ducks go. Baby ducks. Baby birds.
Turn it off.
Okay. I'm gonna say careful.
I think they said the Boy Scouts Club was
You want me to hold your phone? I could put it under my jacket.
That's what I heard. I'm not sure if it's fun.
Careful with the gators.
Good job.
Yeah.
The water cold. I can tell. I can feel it.
That water is actually freezing.
I know.
Oh, dude, literally my video camera's just been like that. Yo, Alexis, you want to be on YouTube? Alexis, you want to be on YouTube? Yeah. Say something.
Hey! We're canoeing!
It's not canoeing. This isn't a canoe.
This is just
It's a boat.
Richie. Here, Kenny.
I gotta be pushing to it.
Here. Don't put them on YouTube. They didn't ask.
All the way we can get there now, or we'll wind up back downstream.
Did you put them on YouTube?
You see that?